back to Eyes on Digital, reporting to you live from here in Boise, Idaho. We here at Socialize hope that everyone is staying happy and most importantly healthy during these hard times. With that being said, we're going to dive into our topic today, which is going to talk about why you should prioritize marketing when creating your overall budget. One thing you need to keep in mind is that marketing is your business. It keeps you relevant to not only your current customers, but also possible incoming customers as well. Another thing is that it does give your company an overall future and freedom to experiment with many different forms of marketing to find what best fits for you. For more information on the different forms of marketing, please make sure you visit all of our social media profiles or check out our website, getsocialized.com. I'm Abby Scott, and I'm signing off.